Hey, what's up? In this video we will talk about camera of UMIDIGI F1. If you have missed, we already made unboxing and performance test. You can watch these videos by the links in description. Does this phone really has dual rear camera? How it makes photos in low light conditions? Can you shoot good videos on UMIDIGI F1? We'll try to answer all the questions in this video. Please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, Tech Brothers. Do you know that UMIDIGI F1 has identical rear camera to UMIDIGI Z2 Pro? We already made a review of this phone about half a year ago, so I expect the same photo quality on the new smartphone. Rear camera consists of 16-megapixel main sensor with f1.7 aperture and 8-megapixel secondary sensor for bokeh effect. 16-megapixel selfie camera is the same as UMIDIGI 1 Max and 1 Pro. It has f2.0 aperture. The camera app has 5 shooting modes: time-lapse, video, photo, pro and bokeh. It is interesting that you can change the blur level in bokeh mode before taking photo. There is HDR, flashlight and settings menu on the top. The photo settings menu has some useful functions, for example, anti-shake, self-timer, picture size and others. The video settings menu has EIS option, microphone, video quality, etc. As you can see, the camera app doesn't have Google Lens. Now let's look at real sample photos. I have took photos in different light conditions and modes, so you can rate the camera of UMIDIGI F1. As usual, the photos in daytime are great. They are high detailed and bright. However, this is not surprising, because today even budget phones have good images in good light conditions. We should rate the camera by images at night. I want to say that I really like photos in low light conditions. Perhaps UMIDIGI F1 makes the best images in low light among smartphones on Mediatek processor. If we talk about bokeh effect, it is nice. The smartphone has a real second camera, and you can even change blur level before taking photos. At this point, I finished the camera test of UMIDIGI F1. In my opinion, this phone has one of the best cameras among Mediatek devices. You can take really good photos in daytime and even at night. The video is also good in good lighting, but at night it is better not to move the camera, because the footage will be jerky. Thanks for watching. Hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, Tech Brothers.